This video from Casio Help, we're looking at the SEC range of registers, and in particular we're looking at the two discount functions you have on the machine as standard. So on the machines you have a percent minus and a minus key, which are both discount buttons, but they work in different ways. Obviously the percent one gives a percentage discount, whereas the minus key just gives whatever amount you program into it or type into it as a discount. So I'll show you how to program them in a minute, but I'll show you how they work first of all in the reg mode. So if we look at the percentage one first of all, you can either give a discount off a particular line of a sale. So if we entered a few items in, and then for whatever reason, probably a bad example, if we wanted to give 50% discount off the last item entered, 50, and then the percent minus key. If we wanted to give the discount off the total transaction, then it would work slightly differently. Subtotal, then enter the rate. So for 10%, 10 into the percent minus key, and that is given 10% off the total transaction. So they're the two different ways of using the percent minus button. The minus button itself is more straightforward in the sense that because you're only giving an amount discount, then you can use it whenever you want. So if I want to round this sale down to £10, I'd go 102 minus, and that would take 102 off the sale, bringing it down to £10. Okay, you can also program the buttons. There's a couple of reasons why you might want to do this. If you're giving like a loyalty or member discount, it might look a bit better on the receipt if it says member or loyalty on there rather than just a random symbol. It might make more sense to your customers. And then to me, the biggest advantage is actually on your reporting. When you look at a report at the end of the day or the end of the week, and you've got loads and loads of information on there, and then hidden away somewhere is a percentage symbol and a minus symbol, you're like, what the hell are those? If they say what they are, or what you know them as, then it makes you interpreting your reports a little bit easier. So let's get on with it. Key round to PGM, arrow down to key setting. When it's highlighted, CA amount 10 to enter, and then you've got the two buttons there. So you just press CA amount 10 to go into the first one, percent minus. You can use your alpha overlay keyboard to give it a description. So to do that, you arrow up to the description, use the delete key here, and then we can call this, we can call it whatever you want. We'll call ours loyalty, just to show you how it works. It's not fixed once you've programmed it. If you decide you want to change it, you can do. The rate, you can assign a rate to it. Again, you can actually override the rate. So if you want it to be 10%, you can actually, as standard, you can override that. There is a way of locking it, but I'll have to show you that in a different video. And actually, if you've got a lot of discount buttons, these machines are quite good in the sense that you can actually if you've got spare function buttons that you don't use, you can actually reprogram them to be other discount buttons, but that's a whole nother level of complication that I won't cover now. So that button is now set to 10%, which can be overridden, and it's set to loyalty. So when you're done, subtotal, arrow down to the other one, up to the symbol, and then I'll just type in discount here. We'll give it a preset rate. I'd say £5. Subtotal, key back to reg. Now we can have a quick look at how they work. So if we ring some items in, we've got our £5 discount here. I can't do it on that way. I didn't subtotal it, did I? If we do the subtotal there and then ring through, say a £1 discount, we can do that. We've got the percentage button, subtotal, set to loyalty. I couldn't put two discounts in a row after each other. That's what was going on there. So we've got the loyalty at 10%. If we cash that sale off, ring through another one, subtotal, we can override the loyalty discount. So that's what I was saying about if you want to fix it to a certain level, you might have to give us a call or send us a message, or I'll get another video done showing you how to do that, because obviously that could be a bit of a problem. It depends whether you want the flexibility, I guess, on the button. But yeah, that's how to set up and use the discount functions. There'll be more videos appearing on screen now showing you how to program and use the SEC machines, which you're welcome to watch You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.